everybody, man. I am back with another video. You guys seen the title, seen the thumbnail, seen the description. We're gonna install this splitter. So I just got done blowing under the grill a little bit to get the water and stuff from under there. Then I'll probably dry it off. Garth, I just want to say thank you, man.
Welcome, man.
Thank you, man.
It's all good.
No, I'm joking. So y'all look under there.
6, 7, 8. How many holes you got in your splitter?
I don't know, but to find out. So look at this, y'all. Right off the bat, one thing I noticed is they gave me some rust bucket screws here.
You might be able to use
some brown poop stain screws here, but here's the instructions. So if you got a 6th gen Chevrolet Camaro SS 6th gen ZL1 style front lip, instructions, they wrote the instructions on a napkin, but so they're looking at that. 8? Okay, perfect. All right, look, here's another thing, y'all. One thing that they don't give you, check this out. I thought they did, is the double-sided mounting tape. They do not give you that. That is not provided. I wish they would have told you that, but oh well. So I might just use some glue or some chewing gum to stick on the back. But everything else, like the screws, they give you. So
hot mic.
Woo. So look, y'all. I'm just there's about how many screws? 8. There's 8 screws.
8,000.
You know, they're really long, so it might take a little bit of time. We got 2 more.
He's not kidding. Those are long. They're like a mile long. It's a cute little tripod you got here, dude.
Talk to the people, guys. Y'all want to say anything?
No, I've talked too much. I need to go drink beer.
I gotta drink beer.
It took out priorities, really.
All right, last one right here. Oh.
A hard time because she's sad.
You should get a tennis clap for that.
Mike, we're live.
So look, y'all, real quick. You cannot forget to take these off because you trying to put on the splitter. These are going to be in the way. So you just got to remove these. I think you said 4, right?
Yeah.
Each. So that's it. And so I'm just doing that right now, and then we should be able to mount the splitter.
Excitement.
So look, because I'm weak, y'all, this is what Garth gave me. Because I'm weak, he has sympathy for me. So now he's gonna give me that bad boy. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself with this thing.
Hot mic.
There you go. Wait, it's not even on there. Nothing's even doing anything, Garth.
What do you mean?
What the hell? Oh, come look at this. The thing is not even unscrew it. Is it going the right way? Yeah, it's going the right way.
Coming out? Okay, wait, we're gonna kill him.
Just like that, man, piece of cake. Now, one issue down there, like I said, you know, ridiculously easy. So now look under there, it's like, it's all off. Boom, gotta take those off. So look, so I asked Garth I said, hey Garth, I said, do you have any alcohol so I can, like, you know, clean under the car? He's like, yeah. He's like, oh, rubbing alcohol, yeah.
Oh, that stuff.
Oh my gosh. So look, I think, well, yeah, man, I think next thing you gotta do is just clean under there, wipe it, clean it with alcohol, get all the dirt and stuff like that, and then next step is gonna be just putting this bad boy on. Now, do remember I don't have the double-sided tape, so I'm gonna see what happens down the road. I don't think it's really gonna come off because it's screwed in there tight. I don't know. I don't really know what the tape is really for. Like,
Maybe to stop a rattle?
yeah, maybe a rattle or something like that. I
don't know how it's gonna rattle with all those screws.
No, it's like snug in there. So yeah, I guess we'll see. I'll do a video and let you know how it sounds and stuff like that. We'll do that again, so.
No.
So I just cleaned the splitter and under there with some Jim Beam here. I mean rubbing alcohol, and right inside there to make sure it's free from dirt and all that type of stuff. So, so what's your friend's name again, Gareth? Greg. Greg actually has some. Turn this around. Greg actually has some double-sided tape that he's going to go get, and so actually, I guess disregard what I said in the last part about how I'm going to see how it runs without the tape. So
That makes sense.
so here's the tape. I just cut it myself. Perfection. Nothing. Actually, don't look too close at it now. I'm just joking. So look, here we go. Double-sided. This is what they're supposed to give you. They didn't. So now.
Review saying
I am proud of myself. Look, I had to eye this up, man. This is a big accomplishment. Maybe the biggest accomplishment in my life.
oh damn. Keep looking up.
No, I'm just joking, but look, I actually eyed this up to tape and cut it, and it came right to the tip.
That was a good guess.
This is like the most ratchet installation video ever, but we're gonna keep going. Matter of fact, but for real though, it's not that hard. All you need is 2 people. You got to get your car up off the ground, obviously.
Beer. Yep.
Yeah, some beer, rubbing alcohol, and make sure you get some double-sided tape because they do not give you that. And remember, I got this from Extreme Online Store or Exotic, whatever you call it. But that's the place I got. Yeah, close enough. So remember, this is not the one from GM, the GM store. Remember, like you guys told me, you're like, don't spend $700 on that one, $650. So I was like, all right, you know, I'm gonna spend $300 and see what this one can do. So we'll see how long it holds up, and then just take it from there.
It ain't even on yet. It looks good.
It does, makes a big difference, right?
That's gonna be sweet.
Wow. Yeah, it's actually lined up. Okay. So look, guys, can you explain this one?
Hi. So what we're doing is we're pulling back the tape, but we lined up some screws, started some screws to keep everything lined up perfect so that the seam lines up perfectly that way. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the tape back a little bit past the hole. Then we'll add another screw in there, which will pull the tape up. And
Yep.
we'll repeat that, rinse and repeat for other side. You know. So.
That's simple.
That's a long.
Okay, you're live. We're live.
Oh, hey y'all. What's up? So look, almost done here. What I'm doing is I'm putting, what is this called?
It's the air foiler special
The Air
treatment
Foiler
thing.
5000.
Yeah,
you
that's
said?
it. That's the optional for the SS.
So this, yeah. So what he said. But now what we're doing is we're just screwing this back in there and wrapping up the. Yeah, I'm so lost the words here. What the hell is this thing called? The splitter. Wait. So look, this is the doodle stain ones they gave me. Rusty. So what we did was we
Fine sheen.
used the ones that were already
The original.
the original ones that were already under there.
Those
And-
are socket head, and these are Phillips.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Sockets, and then the rust bucket ones here are are Phillip. So we just used the original ones, the socket screws that were already in there. I would hold on to them just in case if you need them, you might lose the original ones. It looks sick, man! Come on, man! That thing looks sick! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, that look good.
Oh my god! No, I'm just, no, look at that, y'all. This is something that when I got this car, I didn't pay attention to see if it had, like, usually Camaros do come with it. They come on there with the splitter. It might cost them, like I said, another $700 onto the MSRP, whatever. When I when I got it, I didn't even pay it. That didn't even cross my mind. They'd be like, wait a minute, this ain't got a splitter. Look at that, man. That thing looks mean. That thing looks mean. And thanks to these guys and that man right there for letting me use this garage. He is the man. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you, man. But look, let me be serious for a second. That's how you install it. You kind of did it like the how would you guys rate that installation process? 8 out of 10. You know,
Pretty easy.
but it's
for the tape.
yes, the tape. So there's the thing. They did not let me know. Like when I ordered this, they should have let you know, hey, it doesn't come with tape. I came all the way over here thinking there's tape in the package, and it wasn't. But fortunately, he brought me some tape, and it's a pretty smooth process. It's lift the car up, take the screws out, clean under there with alcohol, and Jack Daniels at it, and remove the airflow things down there, and yeah, it's honestly really straightforward. You just gotta be a little bit patient. It takes some time. Hopefully you have the right tools, like power tools would help a lot. But honestly, that's all I got for this video. Hopefully you guys found this video very informative. That's how it looks. Got a lot more stuff coming with this car. That looks mean, man. That looks dope. But let me know if you have any comments, any questions. Make sure you comment, share, like, subscribe. And with that being said, my black ass needs to stop and get done talking. Get done talking. Anything you guys want to say?
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Catch you guys in the next one.